Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, we're at the beautiful Kincaid at Legacy Apartments in Plano, Texas. It's the Kincaid at Legacy Apartments in Plano, Texas. So this is a high-rise and a mid-rise apartment, mostly high-rise, and it's in the West Plano area. Right now, I'm going to look at the pool. So there's a really pretty pool that's here. This is kind of the mid-rise pool, if you would. There is another pool on site, but this is one of them. You can see it's a really long, almost a lap pool. It's very, very long. It's got lots of seating in here. And then there is a grilling station and grilling area that's over there. So that's just right over here. Really cool area. And then you've got other places to sit that are over here, tables and couches and stuff. So that's all here. But in addition, one thing is really cool is there's this back door. And in the back door, hey, you just walk through the back door and then you're here at like Ringo's Pub. And there's other places too, Ringo's Pub, Scruffy Duffy's, and other places here at the Shops of Legacy. So super easy access to get in and out and enjoy a drink, enjoy some great food anytime. So anyway, you got all that here and a really cool pool, great environment. This is a summer day, feels great in here. And again, this is the mid-rise portion of the building. So now we're about to continue our tour. We're gonna see about 3 units and let's go see those right now. If you have questions at any time about anything you're seeing, send me a text, just use the number below.